Well, now I'm going to take out the lawnmower and going to pressure wash it and pressure wash the under the mower deck. I don't have the key right now, otherwise I'd drive it. Okay, now I just gotta take off the mower deck. First I gotta turn the wheels. I gotta put her down. Unhook the front holder, 3-point holder. Then unhook the 3-point. Have to work fast, ain't got much battery left. Got air in the water hose. Doesn't like it either. Okay, we got her all back together, greased, air filter clean, checked the oil, filled it with gas, ready to go mow again.